Hey Snow Fighters, it's Mike with KAGE Innovation here. Got my morning coffee, styrofoam cup as usual, like to be frugal around here. And I was just wanted to show you guys here a couple things this morning. And go back down memory lane a little bit. I'll show you guys these mold boards. These coming off the line. They're getting their pivot frames put on. It's not super uncommon that it's this warm, but he's out there in the forklift. We're going to be hanging these pivot frames today. Nice heavy duty pallets. They come on, banded down. Got the signature emblem right there on the face of the mold board. We call the hole cap. Just like seeing that stuff. Massive production going on in the morning when I get here. The guys have started at 6 a.m. and they're already into it. The product that we're going to sneak peek today is a new version, I guess sort of a new version, of our KAGE Extreme system. This is the skid loader version of the SnowFire. So it's an SBK 96. Skid steer blade cage is what that SBK stands for. And you'll notice this one has the Extreme Kit. That includes the AdvantEdge flexible cutting edge system, where there's 18 or 24 inch sections that move up and down independently. And they can each move up and down 1 3/8 inches. And then we've got our H-spring kit, or snow catch angle kit. And these H-springs are made out of spring material so that it pushes the snow catch hard against the moldboard and conforms better to the AdvantEdge, because the AdvantEdge is thick. You can see that it's going to reduce the snow leakage on that. And then most importantly, we've got a new and improved poly skid with slot. So that slot allows that skid to travel up vertically on both the front and the back, up and over curbs. So this skid is the same one that we use on the SnowFire Blast snow pusher, and we've now taken that technology and moved it over to this new plate. So if you guys are interested in knowing, the side panel is different. So the side panel has a couple of holes, extra holes in it, and so does the BPS and BDS. So these plates, this K plate, so both of these frame members are going to have 2 extra holes. There's a different cutout back here too. So aside from this cutout, which is rectangular, it'd be pretty easy to update, but that little rectangular hole makes it a little more of a challenge to update an old system. But you can always replace the side panel and the BPS and BDS if you wanted to upgrade. And then obviously it's just this box that holds the skid and the 2 leaf springs. So there's 2 leaf springs that keep that poly skid pushing down to the ground. They're bolted here, and then their tips are touching here, and they're both, assisting that skid to be biased to the ground. And then we removed, since we have a bigger skid, we removed the floating cam lock system. Boy, you should hear my son Kyler talk about how much of a pain those were for him. So I liked them and didn't find it too hard to unhook. In fact, it was easier to unhook, I thought. But hooking up, he didn't like the visibility factor any longer. So the new system, the new Extreme system, has our standard cam lock bracket kit, which is the easiest, highest visibility system to hook the box to. Name of the game, KAGE has to be simple, durable, and competitively priced. And I think we did that with this new Extreme kit. And then of course we got the SnowFire Blast, and I can show you guys that next time. So until next Friday, coffee time, have a good week. Thanks for watching.